Go ahead. Did you see it? Like, look at this. Move it. You can go. You could have gone. You know, he's got his own lane. Like, seriously, he's got his own lane right there. The first lane, that's his lane. He can go onto that. So I don't know what he's doing exactly, but well, congratulations. You figured it out. I hate double parkers. This is stupid. $7 a.m. to 6 p.m. no turning. I don't know what's hard to understand about that, but it's like right there. Fucking man, people are so inconsiderate. What are you gonna do? Yeah, well, hello? Jesus, wake up. What is wrong with you, hey Paul? Hey Paul, hey Paul. Everybody loves hey Paul. Oh, that's it. That's the way to do it. You know it. Good job. Very well done. I'm gonna applaud her. Yay. This is a nice road. This is a very nice road. Nice and smooth. Except for the fact that the bus is taking up 2 lanes because, you know, it's a bus and he can do whatever he wants. Go ahead. Go ahead. I'll let you out. I'm nice. I'm a good boy. I'm considerate. Unlike the damn taxi that just went over the center line. Holy smokes. Look at that. I get the feeling that guy, the truck doesn't know how to go up the hill. So he's gonna... Okay, what's he doing? Oh, wow. Guys, you guys gotta see this. I'm gonna pull in so I give you guys a good look. So that white truck over there that you're seeing, I was just coming by and I noticed that he kept like popping it back a little bit, which more than likely means he doesn't know how to, he's having a hard time going up the hill. Yeah, he's stuck. That's a double line. See guys, like, it's ridiculous. That's ridiculous, guys.